Morning everyone, quick little HCG update. My hubby and I are both doing it again just to get rid of a few kilos of Christmas cheer. And it's sort of I made a mistake yesterday. I made two mistakes actually. I was really busy in my clinic and I did not take my second dose of drops. So this is about both timing of drops and about the type of protein you choose. So keeping in mind that the dose of the protein that we're allowed per day is 100 grams of protein twice a day, has to be low fat or as lean as possible, and then the drops need to be taken evenly through the day, 10 drops of homeopathic HCG 3 times a day. So when you do this correctly, it should be something like, say, 7 a.m., 1 p.m., 7 p.m., or 6 a.m., midday, 6 p.m., that sort of thing. So each time you take the homeopathic drops, you're releasing brown fat into your bloodstream, so your body's really running on about 2,000 calories per day. So keep that in mind. That's why the drops need to be regimented and put through the day nice and evenly. Now, when you don't do that, your body stops releasing brown fat. So therefore your body starts eating up your muscle mass and you can actually get more inflamed and stressed. So I forgot to have my lunchtime dose because I was busy. I then quickly ate because I was hungry. And then I thought, oh, that's all right. I'll take the drops between my next clients. I knew I had time. My clients ran over. I was just flat out until like 6:15 last night. So I had my second dose of drops at 6:15. And then I didn't get my last dose of drops till I was going to bed around 9:30 or something like that. It didn't work. And the other thing that I did wrong yesterday, and this is about the choice of proteins, we should never, ever, ever have two red proteins a day. So even though you've got to choose the leanest cuts, whether it's the leanest cuts of, beef or kangaroo or venison or whatever, not allowed to do lamb. That's way too many calories. So there's a very specific group of red proteins you're allowed to have. And we actually had two really lean rissoles for they were very lean. They were about 590. So they were slightly under the 100 grams allowed when we cooked them up. So, and there were 6 of them. We had one per meal over 3 meals. But I had 2 red meals yesterday, so lunch and dinner, and my weight's up 500 grams today. So that's sort of interesting to me. So just sort of saying, make sure you're regimented with when your drops are, and also make sure you don't ever, ever, ever have 2 lots of red meat per day. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye.